This is the SilversTrades channel. It is Monday, February 24th, 2025. It's 6:30. The market's open. Got our couple levels set, waiting for the first 5 minutes to get our 5-minute high and 5-minute low going, and then we will wait to see what kind of trades we have today. Okay, 6:35. We have our 5-minute high with our 5-minute low. This is also our pre-market low, pre-market high. Some liquidity zones, previous day low or Friday's day low. And I don't think we have any type of news events coming up. Let me double check. Nothing too big for today. Tomorrow's going to be a big one. We broke through our 5-minute low already, and we're having a little bit of a test into the 5-minute low and pre-market low with what looks like a candlestick close coming shortly.
Order submitted.
We're approaching our low of day. Let's break through it and hit our first target. I want to see us crash through this liquidity zone right here. This zone right here is liquidity from back in December 9th, held for about a week. There's a week's worth of data that is holding right here, so we're sitting with a little bit of resistance. We do have a lot of strength to the downside, so if we could push and crash through here, we'll see another leg down.
Target filled. Order canceled.
Nice. All right, we hit our first target. Bounced right off of the liquidity zone here. I want to see the sellers continue to push this market down. And let's aim for a low of day from Friday. We're getting that reaction to the liquidity zone right here right now with a lot of buyers trying to step in. I think the weight of the sellers is going to hold out here and push this down a little bit. We might see a little bit of a retracement up and then another step back down into the previous day low. What I do need to start seeing is the candlesticks closing below the liquidity zone here to indicate that the sellers are stepping back in and holding this area. If the sellers can't hold this level right here of our 5-minute low and our pre-market low, I'm just gonna have to let it get stopped out. It does look like we're gonna get another leg down. This is the candle of truth. We'll see what happens after this closes. We need this to close red and close below our candlestick right here. Okay, it didn't close below, but it did close red. We're still below our 5-minute low and our pre-market low. It's a steep one, but we are creating a downward trend. The sellers need to hold this and break through our liquidity zone here. There we go. We hit our 60 points right around this level here, the 21,665 level. Didn't close out on it yet. I do want to see this come down into our take profit. But if I do see buyers starting to step in, I'll probably close within like the 50 to 60 point range. We're approaching our second take profit.
Order canceled.
Boom, we crashed right through it and into our previous day low. Cool. Let me just check something.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. We are done for the day. It's not even 7 o'clock. We hit both of our price targets, and it looks like the market's coming down a lot more. Wow. Yeah, it's coming down to this other liquidity zone. That was a great trade, a lot of patience. It continued following this downward trend. I imagine that we'll see the market go down a little bit more in anticipation of NVIDIA and their earnings that are going to be happening. So with that being said, I am done trading for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see everyone on Tuesday.